Hi, it's Connecticut dog bite attorney Ryan McKean, and increasingly we are seeing cases which I can best call dog versus delivery person. Whether the delivery person is, a postal worker, a UPS driver, FedEx driver, Amazon, DoorDash, Uber Eats, um, XPO Logistics. Um, we see delivery drivers being bitten by dogs over and over and over again. And we never used to really see this because this is sort of a real confluence of two trends. One of which is that the pandemic has had a lot more people ordering things online and not going to stores. And the second is those same people got dogs. Okay. And what's become increasingly popular in suburban neighborhoods, especially here in Connecticut, are electric fences. So dogs can roam around a yard, and when a delivery person is coming up, the dog then bites that delivery person. We see it time and time and time again. You have dogs that are poorly socialized because of the pandemic they weren't able to get out. You have owners who, maybe they're the first time dog owners, maybe they're not experienced in this, and they let their dogs roam, or they think that their dog won't attack. We see an increasing number of attacks on delivery drivers, and I think that this is a trend that's only going to continue to grow. I don't think people are going to stop ordering things online. And look, I don't think the dogs people got during the pandemic, they're going to live for 10, 15 years. And I say this as a dog lover. I have two dogs. I've got an Australian Shepherd and a German Shepherd, and both of them. When I'm home working, they see a delivery driver. They bark and they jump, and they try to make a lot of noise. But we keep them inside when we are getting a delivery, and we also have a sign up on our yard that says, look, you can place the packages by the mailbox. There's an electric fence. So but increasing numbers of people are being bitten by dogs. So this presents a situation because, in some cases, if you're working for, FedEx or Amazon, you're an employee of Amazon, and there would be a workers' comp claim. But there's also a third-party claim. Workers' comp, it'll take care of lost wages, it'll take care of medical bills, it'll help you in those ways. But it doesn't really give a lot of money for things like nerve pain or scarring or emotional trauma that people go through after being bitten by a dog. So we see, you've got one aspect is probably a smaller workers' comp claim and probably a more significant third-party claim, which would be against the owner or keeper of the dog. Now, homeowners insurance is going to protect the homeowner and cover the dog bite case. But if the owner is a renter and they don't have insurance, it may be, unfortunately, that there's no insurance to recover from. Because Connecticut law requires that drivers have auto insurance. It does not require that homeowners or renters have homeowners or renters insurance. If there's a mortgage, you can bet that there is homeowners insurance, but otherwise it is not required at all by law. I mean, a great idea if you own a home and don't have homeowners, you should probably really do that. But if you've been injured by somebody, know that the claim is going to go against the homeowner's coverage for the dog bite. You also need to get taken care of. You need to get treated because we see this where even small bites can lead to infections. The infections can be hard to treat once they get in the bloodstream. It can result in surgery, hospitalization. So if you get bit by a dog, it's no small matter. Their mouths are filthy. You want to go and you want to go and you want to get checked out and you want to get treated. Lingering effects from a dog bite could be scarring, could be disfiguration, could be nerve pain. All of those things are very common. We've had cases where, people have had permanent tingling, which is, very uncomfortable for them for the rest of their lives. So you're going to want to get taken care of. You're going to want to get treatment probably going to want to make the workers' comp claim so you get your med bills paid, but you're also going to want to look at or at least consider a third-party Connecticut dog bite claim to protect you because comp isn't going to cover everything. If you have any questions, if you've been at, in one of these dog versus delivery driver cases, we call them, don't hesitate to give me a call, 860-471-8333. If we can help you, we will. If not, we'll answer your questions. Thank you.